Welcome this video. Tall rustic gardening bed. The ultimate gas. Tall rustic gardening bed have going popular among gardening enthusiasts due to hair numbing benefit whether you have a seasoning gardening or a bring those elevate plants often convince bad management accessible. In this comprehensive guess, we explored everything you need to know about tell rustic gardening bed, those advertising material, dollars and main entrance. Benefit of tall rustic gardening. Beyond design and access, one of the main recent gardening growing tall rustic gardening it the size of those that rate the need of bands and keep make gardening a comfortable explore for individual with mobile income and backbones. Then are also idea for wheelchair use when mean find tranquil group level gardening challenge initial salt quality unless unlike traditional gardening rustic gardening bed also you to control and salt consumption. The result is better during which or excess for health gardening. You can fit the need with high quality salt, pens, and original metal. Additional to your plant's need. Wig and pond controlling realistic gardening bed help in minimizes with individual as then